first
and
box.
I fell or slipped and fell like a week ago. So my hand's either like has a fracture, like a hairline fracture, or is sprained. I haven't found out from my doctor yet which it is. Sorry, go ahead, Edith.
She's been waiting a long time. No, I don't remember what I was going to say, so it's fine. Oh, I was going to say it's our first box of the month, I think. So
okay.
And we never did post my FabFitFun, so my sister may decide to post that at some point.
Did this one have a little booklet thing? I thought it did, but maybe
I thought
not.
it did too, but
So that's what the inside looks like. Well, I'll just go with the biggest item here. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Day Cream by Derm Store.
But they have nice products though. I feel like it even holds them.
That's a pretty heavy little size there. Okay, and then the next thing, which the packaging's kind of open on both ends. I'm like, let's hope it's in there. Oh, it is, I think.
Knowing our luck.
Wait, what does it look like?
Is that like a double prize? Is it
like
two?
the little ampule things or whatever they're called, ampules?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess it comes with like two. They're little like, here, let me just show you guys if I can get them out now. I thought that they look so odd. I'm like, they look like that if you guys can see them.
Very skinny.
Tiny. But it's Biopel or Biopel, Tensage Intensive Serum 40. SCA 40 Biorepair Index. So,
yeah. It looks like it cures wrinkles or something. So
stick that back in there,
which is awesome.
You can close the other end
yeah,
if you want.
I can close.
Okay, and then Kate Somerville's Exfoliate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. That's good. I like her stuff. So, like if you guys can see
it's
it.
a good size too. I look
Yeah.
like it's a deluxe size or something.
And then Skin Medica Neck Correct Cream for neck and décolleté. Is that how you say décolleté? Am I saying it wrong?
I don't know. I feel like you were saying it right.
I'm saying it terrible, you guys. I'm like, okay. And then Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I know we probably have this sitting somewhere. I have so much stuff, you guys. You don't even know. I'm like,
She
Anyways,
does. She does.
I gotta go through it all. It's on my list. And then I have Neova Smart Skincare Silk Sheer 2.0 Photo Finish Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 40. Water resistant 80 minutes. Tiny little thing, but
it is tiny.
That's good.
That's a good SPF.
I think that's the last thing, but I'm gonna double check real quick.
While she's checking, I was gonna say I got a new purse. Yay! Just sharing with you guys because my purse was like a regular medium purse, and I feel like my purse just like my husband and my kids would throw everything in it, and I was tired of carrying everybody else's junk, so I finally said I'm gonna get it such a small purse that like they can't throw things in it anymore. It's too tiny. So yay! If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we'll have listed down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.